In the days after the Great Flood, humanity was united. They spoke one language, worked together, and built great cities. Among them was a group of ambitious people who settled in the land of Shinar. Their leader, Nimrod, a mighty warrior and king, had a vision, one that would change the world forever.
My brothers and sisters, we are strong. We are united. Why should we scatter across the earth? Let us build a city so great that it will never be forgotten. And at its center, a tower so high it will reach the heavens, a monument to our power, so that we may never be divided.
The people agreed, for they desired fame and security. They molded bricks from clay and used tar for mortar. Day and night the tower rose, climbing higher and higher into the sky.
Look at it, soon we shall reach the heavens.
Indeed, no flood, no disaster will ever scatter us again. We shall make a name for ourselves above all others.
Behold, the people are one, and they all have one language. Nothing will be impossible for them. If they seek to reach the heavens, what will they desire next? I must act before their pride leads them further from me.
Bring more bricks to the top.
¿Qué? No entiendo lo que dices.
What? What are you saying?
What is happening? We are one people. Why can no one understand me?
The mighty tower, once a symbol of human ambition, became a monument to confusion. The people, unable to work together, scattered across the earth as God had intended from the beginning. The city became known as Babel, meaning confusion, for there, God divided the languages of mankind.
This tale is a lesson in humility. Mankind was created to honor God, not to seek power and fame for themselves. The Tower of Babel serves as a reminder that true greatness comes not from reaching the heavens through pride, but through faith and obedience to the one who created them.
Let us not forget, unity without humility leads to destruction, but unity in God leads to eternal life.